So a lot of people perceive openBIM as something of a black box, something of a mystery perhaps. And if we just try and unpick, what's inside it and why is it important perhaps? So first of all, the context of openBIM, why do we need it? It's because ultimately the construction sector globally has a couple of fundamental challenges. It affects every aspect of our lives. It's the buildings we live and work and travel across and in. But it has poor productivity and it has a sustainability impact which is not sustainable. 39% of the world's carbon emissions come from the construction sector, for example. So the challenge that we face in construction is, how do you do more with less? How do you use less resources financially, environmentally, to create better buildings in the future? And that's where openBIM comes in, because there's a couple of things you want to do. First of all, you want to take better decisions. You want to be able to actually optimize the design of your building, the performance of your building through its whole life cycle. To do that, you need access to really good data. You need to understand your products, understand your design, how the building will be used. So you need really good data from lots of sources. And secondly, you need to actually automate and get efficiency in your processes through design, through construction, through operations. So the way to do both those things, to be able to take decisions based on really good data and to automate, is you need to be able to have a common language for your data. So you can take it from different designers, from your product manufacturers, from every company, every component part of your ecosystem. And you want that data to come together in a standard form that's actually machine readable and machine interpretable. And if you do that, suddenly you can fuse all of your data together to create really good information that machines can read, so you can start automating your processes, and you've got the widest possible set of information to take decisions on. So you can now optimize for your through-life carbon content to minimize the cost of construction or operations. So actually, openBIM provides that common language that allows data to flow from every possible angle of your project throughout this life, across life cycle phases, to give you really good decision making, smart decisions effectively, and to automate your processes. That gives you efficiency, that gives you productivity, it makes you more profitable, and it increases your environmental credentials as well, because it is a more sustainable building you get out of it. That's why openBIM is really important.